Hey guys, it's Lara here, and today I have 4 pop figures from Stranger Things that I'm gonna be opening. These just came in the mail, so get out of here. You too, Mike. We're gonna be opening Al first. Okay, so oh look, there's a whole collection on the back. I really want to get Will the Wise and Erica. They look funny. I got it out of the box. So, yeah! Plastic is so hard to get open. She is like so pretty. I love her little jumpsuit, and look, her bag from when Max and Elle went shopping. And then look, her little high tops. Oh, little high tops. And her hair is so beautiful. Okay, now that we've done Elle. Sorry, that's the background noise. I'm really sorry. It's kind of hard to find a quiet place in this house. Now I'll open Dustin. Okay. And then God. He is like absolutely adorable. Look at his little hat. Camp Nowhere. Get it? Get it? And it says 85 right there, you know, the science camp. And then here's the little hat. And then his little sneakers. And oh my God, his shirt. It also says Camp Nowhere 85. Oh my God, I love this guy. Now we're gonna open my... Good. This plastic is gonna rip my... Ooh, look! In this collection, you can get the other 11, Flayed Billy, Mike, of course, and Joyce. Cool! Oh, God. And look at this boy. His, bowl cut is so funny. And his shirt is just, oh, my God, so 80s. Ah, Stevie! Stevie! Okay, now we're going to open Stevie. There's also other characters. There's Hopper, 11, Steve, of course, Dustin, Will the Wise, Max, Lucas, Erica, and Battle 11. Nice. There we go. Ah! And we got this dude with his little white cap. That is hilarious. He's holding an ice cream, and there's this little badge with this cute little uniform. And oh my God. And for the record, whoever thinks Barb is coming back to in Stranger Things 3, she is not. I've watched it. So, bye.